Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Are you looking for a fun, creative project you can knock out in a weekend and turn into some serious cash? Well, get ready because we are diving into the world of floating shelves. In just 5 minutes. You will have all the inspiration you need to build and sell these hot cake tickets. Home decor items, floating shelves are all the rage. With they are modern, minimalist, and incredibly versatile. The best part, they are surprisingly easy to make, and the materials are affordable. These mean a high profit margins for you. Let's get to it. This is your bread and butters. Head to your local hardware stores and grab some common pine boards. They are cheap and easy to work with. Cut them into different lengths. Think a set of 3 shelves in varying sizes. Sand them smooth. Stain them a beautiful walnut or a light oak and apply a coat of for a professional finish. The key to a good floating shelves is the hidden bracket system. You can buy these kits online or at any hardware stores. They are simple to install and give that clean floating looks. Package them with the bracket and clear instruction and you have got a winner. Want to elevate your game? Look for some live edge wood. This is a slab of wood where one side still have the natural bark and organic shapes. People love the rustic, one of a kind feels of these. All you need to do is sand the top and bottom, clean up the live edge and apply a good finish. These shelves look amazing as a simple single statement piece or in a pair. Because they are unique, you can charge a premium for them. Give old wood a new life. Hit up local salvage yard, old bond, or even check online classified for free pallet wood. The weathered look of reclaimed wood is a huge trend. Clean the wood, knock off any loose bits, and give it a light sanding to prevent splinters. A clear coat of sanding to prevent splinters. A clear coat of sealant will protect the wood and highlight its natural character. The height, history, and story behind reclaimed wood make these shelves a fantastic sales. Think outside the box. Instead of a simple rectangle, try a hexagon or a different geometric shape. You can use plywood for this and cut the piece with a meter saw for perfect angles. Glue and nail them together and sand and paint in a bold colors like black or bright white. These shelves are perfect for small space and for displaying small decors items. They appeal to a younger, more design conscious customer. So there you have it for amazing floating shelves ideas. You can crank out this weekend. Remember the key to high profit to keep cost low and your craftsmanship high. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.